How to add video in Wix website. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about this platform called Wix. And what you're first going to do is go to the editor of wix.com. And as you can see over here, this is my page. And what we're going to do is we're going to click here on the left side on add elements. And then you're going to click on video and music. And over here, we can see the different video options. Currently, we are at single video players. We also have WIX video, video box, video mask, and transparent video. Now you can choose any of this, but over here on the single video player, you could either upload a video, play a video through YouTube, through Vimeo, through Facebook, or through Dailymotion. We're simply going to choose any of this, for example this one, and then we're going to drag and drop into our page. And as you can see over here, we added a video into our Wix website. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching.